Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Follow us on this journey as I train my two sons. The plumbing trade. For today's adventure, we have a faucet that has cold water coming out of the hot side, so we're going to check it out. First of all, we all know cold's supposed to be on the right. And right now we have hot on the right. And they're about to rent this place out, and of course inspections are cold on the right, hot on the left. And right now it's backwards. So somebody was playing plumber and got it backwards. Was it you? So the easy way to fix this, Angelo, it's him. Switch the lines, which means that they have cold water going to the dishwasher. And oh, hold on here, dude. Hold on here. To double check to make sure what's hot. I just ran the water to make sure it's hot. And for sure, the hot is on the right, which is wrong. Luckily for us, is this an ice? No, it's a dishwasher. Luckily, Angelo, we're going to put... Now, if you don't know which is hot and cold, we ran the water, correct? And a double check to make sure we're not crazy. You just come down here and feel the pipe coming out of the wall. Alright, the one on the right is hot, should be cold. So, we're going to swap out the lab supplies, but while you're down here, we're going to put the dishwasher on the correct pipe, which should be hot. Okay? That's the plan, pal. Get your long arms in action. I'll be your helper. So shut the valves off. I'm gonna give you the double angle, Angelo, okay? Where are you switching to that? You make your decision. You want to change on the 5/8 or you want to change up on top? You can make it either way, it doesn't matter to me.
Like these?
Yes.
I'd rather switch this.
Okay, we're gonna do that. I mean, when I say 5/8, I mean here or they're up on the shank.
On the shank.
Okay.
I think.
All right.
Is there an easier preference?
I would do the 5/8 because you know why?
That's
the 5/8 is the wrench I'm going to hand you, and you're going to do the dishwasher and the 2 lab supplies, and just switch them out because you love plumbing. I got a tool bag up there doing this. Hold back if it's tight. Bada Everything's off, correct?
Uh-huh.
Give me a double check for you?
Sure.
Hot's off, hot's off, cold's off. Make sure the dishwasher valve's off too, okay?
Which one would that be?
See how long flex going
Right here?
through the cabinet?
Yeah.
Dishwashers get hot water only.
Yeah.
So shut that valve off. And you see it's already off, right?
Like that, right?
Yeah, it's off.
Okay. Yeah, I turned that off.
There's a connection on the cold, which they thought...
So that's got going right here?
Yeah, that's going to go on that valve. So if someone was in here, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we're going to fix it.
Whoops. Oh, look out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Rag. You weren't there when I needed a rag.
Hey, get used to working by yourself, son. You know what? There's water in the faucet, so you might get a little bit. You'll learn.
I'm not scared.
Yeah, just switch them out, man.
So this one right there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now, always keep in mind where the thread's at, right? There you go. Get them both done.
Then,
Tight.
yeah.
And then we'll test it out, all right? Here's what I'll do. Put them both on hand tight. This way you can tighten them at once. Okay? Systemize. Then tighten them both and then hook up your dishwasher.
Okay. This way.
You ain't gonna kill it to where you're gonna break it, okay?
Yeah.
Just so you know. But you don't want it loose, you want it nice and tight. See the valve start to move, you want to hold back. You hold back on the valve and you tighten on the nut. Never hold back on the pipe.
Well, that's moving though.
That doesn't matter. When you tighten it, it'll stop moving.
But like, look.
It's okay. It's a swivel joint.
See, I tighten it, then I like how it goes backwards.
Well, you gotta hold with both hands then.
Oh.
You just can't, you cannot put pressure on that with pliers because you don't want to ruin that lap supply. Then we'll be changing lap supplies.
Okay.
There you go. Okay?
Okay.
Oh boy. Because once it gets snug, it will stop moving. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with like copper pipes. When you're soldering, you cannot hold back on the newly soldered copper joint. You just create a spot that may create a leak. How tight is that? That's good, man. You cranking it pretty good?
Yeah, I just start to.
All right. Yeah, you see how when you tighten it stops moving?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Want to test it? No, you want the dishwasher, I'm sorry. So the dishwasher's off, loosen that, and just put it on the other valve. That's a wrap.
I'm tightening it. No, I'm not.
Which way are you pushing that? You think about where the thread's at. There you go. Bang. Now you don't want no pressure on that valve. Like if you felt that you couldn't loosen that, then you gotta hold back.
Alright. turn them all back on?
You ready for test?
Yeah.
Hold on, son. Go ahead. Nice and slow. And what else you got to tighten, right?
Packing nut.
Packing nut. Oh, man.
Alright, well there's one leak.
Where's your leak?
Not tight enough.
Huh? It's not tight enough? Good. Tighten it up. Let me see how tight you got it. Yeah, it's loose. Come on, son.
You told me to stop on that one.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you
Are
did.
you done yet? Are you done yet?
He said, oh, it's hand tight. You're good.
Keep tightening it. There it is. There it is. Hold back if you have to.
Yeah.
Good job. Tighten that packing nut.
Yeah, I think that's leaking. Yeah, it is.
Real nice. Don't go crazy. I'm gonna turn the wood on. Alright, turn it back off.
Yeah. Should I? Wait, can I use these as to tighten it?
Yeah, pliers.
Do I have pliers?
Yeah, right by your hand.
Oh.
The water's not on.
Well,
It's
yeah.
not hot.
I know that.
Oh, that's right. That's backwards. Never mind. I'm sorry. I forgot we crisscrossed it. You put the cold on. Do yourself a favor. Grab the pliers by the handles. Open them up. There you go. Go ahead. There it is. That's all you need. Did it move that much for you?
Yeah.
Okay. It's all the way on, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Good. Good. Turn it back on. Listen to me.
Turn it on, then tighten it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah. Is it on?
Yeah.
Tighten the other one. Turn the other one on. We'll test the water.
I didn't turn the dishwasher on.
Ready to go on?
Yeah.
You ready? Pack a nut?
Yeah.
What I was trying to tell you earlier, the valve's all the way on now. Give that handle just 1/4 turn towards the off position.
Okay.
Go ahead now.
I just did.
That's on, off. There you go. Now tighten the pack a nut. That's what I always do.
Because then it turns it right back on.
Yeah. This way. Everything back on?
Yeah.
Wipe everything down. You're doing a fine job, son. Let her rip. Hot on the left. You turn both on. Which one's cold? Turn it cold off. Is that we're hot? Yeah. Bam! You did it. You did a mighty fine job on the kitchen faucet. Someone roughed it in wrong, but as you see, a little quick reversal and we're back in business. Did we get it done?
Yes.
We got it done. Until then, we'll see you at the next one.